Okay, this is my 1991 Lawn Boy push mower. I do a video every year now because I use this in my business all the time and have continually used it since 1991. And just want to show you what it looks like. And it actually still starts up and runs. And keep in mind though that this mower needs a new muffler, and I haven't been able to find a replacement. I don't think they make it anymore is the problem. So I may never be able to find a replacement. Just kind of keep that in mind. Let's see if it starts up. Until next year. This is October 2021.